Hello everyone, this is David at Grow and Eat This. Today's video is about what to do when the seeds won't sprout. We all do it, we all have the problem, and it is so frustrating. Here's what my solution is to try and figure the deal out. You can see some of these. Here is some lavender hyssop. I've got a couple little sprouts right there. This is my third time planting these things over the last several months. Here is anise hyssop. I got nothing. My oregano, maybe, I don't know. Tulsi basil. When have you ever not had Tulsi basil sprout? I mean, seriously. And it's not the first time trying these seeds. Now, these were all seeds bought last year. So they're not old seeds. They were bought in the fall last year. And third try, can't get them to sprout. At this point, you don't know, is it light, temperature, the potting mix, the watering? You have no idea what the deal is. So here's what I do to find out and try and sort out what the problem is. I get myself my paper towels and my sandwich bags, and I start seeds. Now, one of the ones I have had trouble with is yellow pear tomatoes. I found a newer bag. I've sprouted them, and look at all the plants. So we'll be potting up yellow pear tomatoes. Now, poblanos. We always do poblanos. This is a brand new bag of seeds from this fall, and look at this. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and not a sign of a sprout. When you can't sprout something on a paper towel, you're in trouble. Alright, a crispy sweet pepper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nothing has sprouted. These have been in like 2 weeks on a heat pad. Tomato red pear. I've tried so many times, I only had 4 seeds left, and of the 4, nobody has sprouted. It's a long pepper. Third time trying on a heat pad, and check this out. 5 seeds. I got mold. I don't have any sprouting. So the seeds are no good. These are some poblanos from people I buy from all the time. Maybe there's a hint of a sprout right there and right there, but of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 seeds, maybe in 2 weeks on a heat mat, I have maybe 2 thinking about sprouting. I'll give them the benefit of the doubt and put them over there. A Jolly hybrid tomato. I only had 4 left, 4 seeds left. Nothing. Those have got some kind of antifungal or something on them. That's why they're green. Then we end up with the Gardener's Delight tomato. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And in 2 weeks, I have no sprouts whatsoever. It was the same story on the lavender and the anise hyssops. None of them sprouted. So what you're looking at is you need to find the bags of these seeds and throw them away. Put them in the compost. They're not going to sprout. Either buy new seed, or the problem that I have is that it's already the middle of April. It's too late to start some of these things with seed. So I'm going to have to go buy plants for some of these, or go without. Crispy Sweet I can go without. Gardener's Delight I can go without. I got Ajavarskis. This is another variety like that. I can go without. Red pear, it's a shame. Poblanos, I'll have to buy poblanos. I mean, what's a pepper year without poblanos? So I'll have to buy plants because it's just not time to start fresh ones. So when you're getting Zippos and your starts, nothing working, it's time to get out the paper towel, the damp paper towel, put them in a sandwich bag or something, and see if the seeds are any good. It's amazing how many seeds I bought 2020, 2021 from the reputable seed companies that nothing happens. Very, very disappointing. It's just a shame. The demand was so great that obviously they weren't shipping the same things they've been shipping in years past. We'll leave it at that. So this is David at Grow and Eat This. Middle of April. Lots of things are doing great. Check out the lettuce. We've been cutting this lettuce and eating on it for a couple of weeks. It's some nice lettuce. We got all outside is full of plants. The garden is going to be great. These are unfortunate setbacks, but we'll deal with what we need to deal with. You can do the same thing, but test your seed. Don't trust. Just because it's new seed from the people that have been good for years and years doesn't mean it's going to be good this year. Test your seed. This is David at Grow and Eat This, Lawrenceville, Georgia. Happy gardening.